To begin, start by placing a foam roller against the wall. Place the foam roller on the side of the chest that you want to release. Roll back and forth over tender areas. Once you have found a specific tender spot, lean into the foam roller on that area and begin to lift your arm upwards as shown. Slowly begin to increase the height of your arm with each repetition. Perform until the tenderness has decreased. The same technique can be performed with a lacrosse ball. Roll back and forth like performed above. When a tender spot has been found, raise your arm out to the side as shown. Increase the height of your arm with each repetition and perform until the tenderness has subsided. This exercise can be progressed further using the Pso Rite. Place on the wall as shown and allow it to press into the tender area. Raise your arm out to the side like before. Afterwards, it is ideal to stretch the muscles that have been worked on. Begin by finding a door and place your hands as shown. Hold for 20 to 30 seconds and do 3 to 4 repetitions. The stretch can be progressed further by moving your hands up the door as shown. If a doorway is unavailable, then a corner can also be used. Do a 20 to 30 second hold and perform 3 to 4 repetitions. So we can continue making these free educational videos, please subscribe to our channel.